Hi, good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Rashida and I'm here to teach you how to make paper soaps. With COVID-19 in future, when the children starts going to school, definitely it's going to be very important that the children have to wash their hands every now and then. So carrying sanitizer probably may not be so convenient. That's what I was thinking, because when the sanitizer falls down, spills down in their books, and their books may get spoiled, so there might be kind of difficult for the children to use the sanitizer. So I just thought I should show the students how to make the paper soap, which would be very convenient for them to carry it. They just need to pick a piece and wash their hands. So all that you require is you need butter paper which you use for cakes and stuffs. Okay, and if you don't have that, you can even use this the paper that we use for the paper cups. Okay, when they bake the paper cups, you can even use those. Even if they have been used, it's fine. We can use we can reuse them all. And you need any kinds of either shower gel or Lux liquid or shower gel, any whatever liquid, soap, hand wash, any kind of things is required. And we need a brush. In case you don't have a brush, you can use a piece of sponge, or you can even use a piece of cotton. All what you have to do is pour the liquid into a small bowl and brush the paper on the either side. And supposing you are using the butter paper, you can put the paper onto the tray, and you can brush the butter paper. Okay, so once you do the paper on the either sides, you have to brush the paper on the either sides. Once you finish that side, turn it over and brush on the other sides also. And you can put it to dry. Once it dries, it looks something like this. Okay, so now this paper is dried. You can cut this into 4 pieces. Cut them into 4 pieces, and you can use these papers to wash your hands. I will show you how does it work. Okay, this is the paper. Take a bit of water in your hands, rub the paper. The more you rub, the more you get the soap in your hands, and you can keep rubbing it for 20 seconds, as much as you require. And then you can throw off the paper and keep rubbing the paper. You see the soap. Okay, and then you can wash your hands off. Okay, now there is a different way of keeping the papers. How do you keep the papers with the children? They can make it very fancy. You can keep it in a shape of a leaf. Okay, you can keep it in a shape of a strawberry, so that they just need to pick up one, and then you can put them inside again. Then you can fan, because since these are smaller pieces, so that when you have a cover, they can just keep it inside their books. So whenever they require, they can just remove one and wash their hands with it. So you can have different kinds of shapes, shape of a star, shape of a book, and you just have to remove one. Okay, just remove one, and then you can wash your hands with it. So I think this paper soap is supposed to be the most convenient for the children, because sanitizer having alcoholic, and I don't think it's much good for the hands also. So this is eco-friendly soap strips. They can make it at home. It doesn't cost anything. It's a zero cost. So please motivate the children to make the uh, soap strips. Okay. And if you like my idea, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, and inshallah we'll be putting up another video soon. Hope you all liked it.